So made the mistake of taking the wrong car to this house and left the 4-wheel drive at home. So I'm having to hike up this gravel mountain driveway to this beautiful house and see how it goes. Just rounded the curve and that's the house up there. So here we go. We're hiking. It's nice. My agent friend told me this was one of the nicest views he's ever seen around here. And that's saying something because he's from here. All right, I guess this view doesn't disappoint. Let's see what it looks like inside. All right, so I'm up here. I've been in the house already, gotten some shots. I wanted to show you guys what we're looking at today. So as we walk in this door, come into living room. Get a shot from right here. And probably over here too. Let's see this view here. Let's go here real quick. This is just too good not to show you right now. That is quite a view. Tell you what, this iPhone camera, man, it's pretty sick. So if we come back over here, this goes into the master bedroom. Definitely get a shot from this corner. And I'll just take you inside and show you the kitchen. So dining room. And a reverse from over here. Like that. Here's the kitchen. Something from right here. And minus the camera, of course. Do the same thing from right here. Master bedroom. This angle, and we'll get the same thing from over there looking this direction. And this is a really awkward kind of bathroom because of this door right here, but we'll get that and then figure try to do something like this too. And over here, bedroom, something like that. And then you got bathroom, laundry room. And the front door goes to just a walkway on the side, so it's not really used. But yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know. All right, well, thanks for watching, guys. As always, check out my other videos, see what you think, and let me know if there's any questions that you have that you'd like me to answer. Also, feel free to download my cheat sheet for real estate photography. Thanks, bye.